Hey everybody, this is Gary the Fist Pump Guy coming to you once again from Bondi's Toyota, Enterprise, Alabama. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the TSS system with Toyota. It's the future of safety with Toyota. Toyota Safety Sense. In particular, I'm going to talk about Toyota Safety Sense P because I'm sitting in a Corolla and you've heard me talk about the TSS on the Corolla standard now for 2017. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about what it is, how it works, and things of that nature. So this is an introduction to those. Your TSS-P includes such things as auto high beam, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and also dynamic radar cruise control. Now all those utilize different tools in the vehicle to help you drive better, help you mitigate frontal collisions better, or even avoid those, along with pedestrians. Also unintended lane departure is also included in that, and also accidents at night with the auto high beams will help you with that. So I'm gonna break it down, kind of show you some examples, except for the pedestrian detection. I don't know if I feel comfortable doing that, but it does work, and I'll show you the tools that it uses in order for it to work. Auto high beams, I'm not going to show it to you, but it will automatically dim your lights when it detects oncoming cars at night if you have your brights on, and automatically dim it for you as long as it's set on. I will go through some of the features, and hope you enjoy. Okay, now I'm going to show you the dynamic radar cruise control using the same screen, or the DRCC, which uses a millimeter wave radar in the front grille. I'll show you that here in a minute. But I'm looking at the same screen that I had the lane departure alert on. Now right down here you have the cruise control button. Okay, this is the same on all the Toyotas, but there's an on-off button right here on the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push that on, and it's going to say radar ready. All right. Now that also turns it off. So if I turn it on and off, there you go. All right. Now once I have it on, there's another button right here where I can set the distance. Okay. So I'm going to push it, and it's going to set my distance between me and the next car in front of me. So the radar will actually slow me down when I come upon that. The difference between this and regular cruise control is I don't have to manually slow down or cancel my cruise control. This will actually do that for me. So when I go around the car moves out from in front of me, it'll actually pick up the speed back that I had it set at the speed I wanted to go. Okay, so we're using this button. Now let's say I don't like the radar cruise control and I want to use regular radar cruise control. I'm going to use the same button. I'm going to take and hold it down. Okay, and it's going to cancel the radar cruise control and go back to standard radar, which you can actually see the radar thing's gone, and that'll be standard radar at that, or standard cruise control. At that point I can just use my cruise control button. I pull down to set, or I pull up to resume, pull to me to cancel like it normally would work. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down the road, I'm going to set it, and I'm going to show you what it does when I get behind the car. Okay, I'm turning on my cruise control. Now it says radar ready, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my cruise control to where I want it to be, and then I'm going to set my speed. So I'm going to slow down here a little bit because I'm speeding right now. And I'm going to set it to 61 or 62, whatever that is. Okay, so I got it set to the distance of the cars in front of me. Still set to 60. All right, I'm coming up on some cars, and what's going to happen is that radar is going to bounce off and recognize the cars there and automatically start slowing me down. Okay, now depending on the velocity that I'm going, okay, you see how fast I drop down? I'm down to 20 miles an hour. The car automatically recognizes that and slowed me down. Now sometimes it'll just decelerate, but sometimes what it'll do is actually apply the brakes, which is what it did in that case. That's just a quick video of how the dynamic radar cruise control works.